May I have your attention, ladies and gentlemen? We will commence very shortly. You all are requested to kindly be seated and please turn your cell phones to the silent mode so as to avoid disturbances during the proceedings. Also, strictly adhere to the norms like wearing a mask, using a sanitizer, physical distancing throughout for your safety along with that of others in view of the ongoing public health crisis. Thank you. देवी और सज्जनों, बस कुछ ही समय में हम कार्यक्रम आरंभ करने वाले हैं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कृपया बैठ जाएं और अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन साइलेंट मोड पर रखें। कोरोना के चलते खुद की और अन्य सभी की सुरक्षा हेतु सारे नियमों का अनुपालन करें। उदाहरण के तौर पर मास्क पहनना, शारीरिक दूरी बनाए रखना एवं सैनिटाइजर का प्रयोग करना। धन्यवाद। We will commence with the national anthem. Kindly rise in its honor.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Shukriya. Kindly be seated. Namaskar and a very good morning, everybody. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you for this extremely special event, listing of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, a wholly owned Government of India company conferred with the Mini Ratnavan status and India's only shipyard to have built destroyers and conventional submarines for the Indian Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, as the world is opening up and as we are inching back to new normalcy, the listing ceremony is happening physically in this International Convention Hall of BSE, of course, adhering to the protocol directives and guidelines that have been issued by the authorities. As there is a restriction to the number of people gathering, as you all are aware, most have joined through webcast. आज के कार्यक्रम के लिए उपस्थित सभी का मैं मानसी तहदिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। We have with us retired Vice Admiral Indian Navy Narayan Prasad ji, Chairman and Managing Director Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Director Finance and CFO Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO BSE, Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Executive Director Axis Capital Limited, Shri Jayapratap Anakhia, Vice President Merchant Banking, Yes Securities India Limited, Srimati Nishita John, Deputy Vice President Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, Shri Atul Mehra, CEO Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited, Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, Dr. Alok Pandey, Joint Secretary, DIPAM, and Shri V.L. Kantha Rao, Additional Secretary, DP, Ministry of Defense, DDP, will be joining us virtually from New Delhi. भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर हम कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करेंगे. In keeping with the Indian tradition, we will commence by lighting of the lamp. Due to social distancing norms, I will call upon only 2 esteemed dignitaries at a time. I request Retired Vice Admiral Indian Navy Narayan Prasad ji, Chairman and Managing Director Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, and Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Director, Finance and CFO, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, to kindly do us the honors. Please. दीपेन लोकान जयति दीपस्तेजो मयः स्मृतः चतुर्वर्ग प्रदोदीपन तस्मात् दीप यजेत प्रिये. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, "The lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory." I will now call upon Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO BSC, along with Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Executive Director, Axis Capital Limited. The blowing of the conch is considered very, very auspicious in Indian tradition. Shankha bajana behad pavitra mana jata hai Bharatiya Sanskriti mein. Thank you, sir. You may please be seated. I will now call upon Shri Jayapratap Anakhya, Vice President, Merchant Banking, Yes Securities India Limited, along with Srimati Nishita John, Deputy Vice President, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, to kindly do the honors. As I was narrating the meaning of the Sanskrit shlok that I recited earlier on, I will now invite Shri Dharmesh Anil Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. Shri Atul Mehra, CEO, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited, has not arrived yet, but he will be joining us very, very soon. दीप प्रज्वलित हो गया है, कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन भी हो गया है. The lamp being lit, the function being inaugurated. I will now call upon Shri Vivek Toshniwal, Executive Director, Axis Capital Limited, for the opening address.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to have you all here with us for the listing ceremony of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. On behalf of Axis Capital, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, led by Vice Admiral Narayan Prasad, Chairman and Managing Director of MDL, on the fabulous work done over last so many months to ensure a super successful IPO. I would also like to congratulate the team at DPAM, led by Dr. Alok Pandey, and the team at Department of Defense Production, led by Shri V.L. Kantarao. We at Axis Capital feel extremely privileged to have had the opportunity of being part of this historic IPO of a one-of-its-kind company, the only shipyard to build submarines and destroyers in India, and aptly called the shipbuilder to the nation. Listing ceremony of an IPO is a momentous occasion, but this listing ceremony has many more reasons to be special than any other IPO. Some of the reasons include the following. Reason number one, this is the first IPO under the government divestment program for this financial year. Reason number two, this is perhaps the highest ever subscribed public sector IPO with an overwhelming total subscription of over 155 times and garnering over rupees 69,000 crores for an IPO size of rupees 444 crore. Reason number three, with the non-institutional investor portion being subscribed 668 times, this is also the highest subscribed IPO of size greater than rupees 400 crore in this category. Strangely, investors who have invested in this category and have taken leverage funding or IPO funding have to bear an interest cost which is as high as almost 90% of the IPO price per share. Reason number 4, this is amongst the very few IPOs which have received overwhelming response from retail individual investors, and the total number of application forms that came in the IPO was in excess of 26.5 lakh forms. There are very few IPOs in this country wherein more than 25 lakh retail individual investors have applied. And reason number 5, and we should not undermine this reason, this is amongst the very few IPOs which have been launched simultaneously with 2 more competing IPOs that opened and closed on the same dates. And yet this IPO has been able to get phenomenal response from all categories of investors. The phenomenal response just goes on to show the tremendous faith that investors have put in the management team and the business of MDL. Having said so, the success of this offering would not have been possible without the efforts of DPAM, DDP, and the entire IPO teams of MDL, merchant bankers, legal counsels, and other intermediaries associated with this IPO, who all have done a fantastic job on all aspects of this transaction. MDL is an 86-year-old institution that has been serving the nation and plays an important part in building defense equipment for our safety and security. With this IPO, an addition of over 1 lakh new shareholders, their responsibility has just increased. We wish the MDL team the very best for this new journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Toshniwal, for putting this IPO as well as MDL in a nutshell for all present. Thank you very much. I will now invite Shri Sanjeev Singhal, Director, Finance and CFO, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, to address this August gathering, along with those who have joined us virtually, of course.
Thank you for the kind introduction and a very vibrant good morning, ladies, gentlemen, distinguished guests, and all those who are with us today through the webcast. It is indeed an honor and pleasure for me to be here on the day of listing of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. First of all, let me express my deepest gratitude to the entire investors community for reposing such a humongous amount of faith and trust in MDL. Team MDL truly stands humbled. We hold ourselves accountable towards each one of the investors, each one of the applicants, and not just the successful allottees, and shall endeavor to live up to the expectations of the entire investors community. Today is indeed a red letter day in the annals of MDL, marking its successful transition from a closely held company to a widely held public limited company. The response to IPO is a testimony in our strong business foundations and continuous pursuit of excellence. We shall continue to march forward on our chosen path. As far as equity markets are concerned, the importance of equity markets cannot be overstated. Equity markets are a vital engine of economic growth. It has a profound impact on the rate at which our economy grows and creates jobs. It has an impact on the welfare of millions of individuals by turning the savings of investors into capital for business, enabling a flow of funds from investors to entrepreneurs and then back again to the investors by way of dividends and capital gains. Those who purchase a stock, for example, have the confidence that they will be able to sell that stock at a fair and efficient price in the secondary market when they need to or want to. And of course, the value assigned to the stock in the secondary market plays an important role in the ability of the companies to raise additional funds for fueling their expansion and growth programs. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank profusely to my internal core team, which has been associated with this entire IPO process right from the very beginning, very ably led by our ED Finance, Mr. Satish Shenoy. My thanks to the entire board of directors, all the functional directors, independent directors, and Honorable Chairman and Managing Director. I am certainly privileged to be part of such an elite board. My thanks are also due to DPAM, who were associated with us all through the process, giving us little nudges and pushes wherever we were found slightly deviating from the track. My thanks to Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense, for their very, very prompt responses whenever it was required. My thanks are also due to all the employees of MDL, past or present, who have brought MDL to such a commanding heights of glory. I would also like to convey my thanks to all the professional agencies involved with this entire process of IPO, all the BRLMs, the legal teams, the bankers, the syndicate members, registrars, the PR agencies. Without the support of you people, this would not have been possible. Lastly, I would also like to thank the previous management who had actually prepared the foundations for this IPO. Without the strong foundations, considering the COVID times, this would have been a much more challenge for us to complete the process in the given timelines. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Singhal, for your address on this highly significant occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Dr. Alok Pandey, Joint Secretary, DIPAM, who is joining us virtually from New Delhi now. Just a few moments. Welcome, sir.
First of all, a very big thanks to all the investors from our side. Against an issue size of rupees 444 crores, we received your interest of close to 70,000 crores and more than 28 lakh retail applications, which makes us truly feel humbled. It also gives us the confidence to, in the faith in our capital markets, to take on even bigger issues, including that of LIC. Today is really a red letter day in the life of MDL, and by becoming the shareholders of this wonderful company, not only have you shown your trust and confidence, but also you have given them a great responsibility going forward. This responsibility of consistently creating value for the company and its shareholders year after year and quarter after quarter is what rests with the CMD and his team now. I am very confident that MDL would be able to do it under the able leadership of Sri Narayan Prasad CMD. He's an extremely vibrant person, and those of you who know him would recollect that even in his greetings, he brings a great vibrancy to the day. He is ably assisted by all his directors, including Sri Singhal, who has had a key role to play in this particular IPO. This journey of coming to listing has really tested our patience as well as commitment. One of these has been the COVID-19 itself. This firm, friends, as you would know, is not one where you can work from home. This is the firm which requires physical presence. In May, the CMD himself and more than 150 people in his team were down with COVID. That they were able to still prepare for the IPO and do it in time shows their fighting abilities. I remember a meeting where the ambient air was one of despair, and we decided that even if there is a 10% chance of overcoming the challenges, let's do it. And that, dear friends, has made all the difference. We look forward to creating value for the company together with you, and my hearty congratulations to all employees of the company who participated in large numbers in the IPO. Rarely do we see the employee portion being booked fully, but this is an IPO which has broken several records, including being the highest subscribed PSU IPO. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my colleagues in DIPAM and also in DODP, particularly Mr. Suren Yadav, my colleague Joint Secretary, the merchant bankers, JM, Axis, Edelweiss, WISEC, and DAM Capital, who deputed their top leadership to sort out all issues concerning this IPO. Salil, Dharmesh, Arun, Amishi, and Satyen, many, many thanks. The two stock exchanges, BSE and NSE, in particular BSE for today's ceremony, SEBI and Registrar of Companies, and Concept Communications also deserve my hearty appreciation and thanks. Jai Hind and thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Pandey, for extending your best wishes to the IPO and also for narrating how, in spite of so many challenges, the IPO came out in time. And now here we are. I will be inviting retired Vice Admiral, Indian Navy, Shri Narayan Prasad, Chairman and Managing Director, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, to say a few words on this extremely happy and joyous occasion, sir.
A very vibrant good morning to all of you.